Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure your Telegram app is logged in and your Terabox account credentials are at hand. Open the official Terabox Bot chat and tap Start. Once done, the bot will show a login or link option. Choose the method you prefer. You will be asked to authorize Telegram to access the Terabox account, read permissions, then confirm. This initial authorization connects the two services, so you can manage files from Telegram directly without switching apps. After connecting, authorize file access using the provided OAuth link or by entering the verification code the bot requests. Once linked, you use commands like /upload. Attach a photo, video, or document, and then choose the destination folder or create a new one. The bot confirms upload progress and returns file ID and shareable links when complete. Make sure to watch for completion messages. They tell you where the file lives and how to share or delete it later for tidy storage management. To finish, manage files with commands like /list to view contents, /share to create links, and /delete to remove items. Once done, double-check that links and permissions behave as expected. If a link fails, make sure folder permissions allow sharing. If the bot cannot access files, revoke and reauthorize the connection in Terabox, then repeat the OAuth step. Finally, if uploads stall, check Telegram network settings and retry, reauthorization, and a simple app restart usually resolve lingering access or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.